Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn money online for a student. So before I dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this channel, do it subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. So as a student, you can actually make money online. There is a lot of legitimate way you can earn money online without needing a large form of investment. So without a waste of time, I will start listing them out to you so that you can start making your research on it, dive into it, and start making some reasonable form of money for yourself. Number one, I do hope that a lot of you people have heard about freelancing. Number one is freelancing. Where are the student that possesses skills, graphics designs, video editing, programming, social media management? If you possess any of this knowledge, it means you can actually start something online that will be able to earn you some rational money monthly. All right, you can start this with a popular professions. I do hope that some of you people have heard about Fiverr. If you possess those skills, graphics design, video editing, and lots more, then you can dive into Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer app itself. Submit your gigs and start earning for yourself. Number two is online tutoring. Online tutoring. A lot of us can do this. And to your greatest surprise, it will pay you something reasonable. So if you're a student and you're actually good at some subjects, you're actually good at teaching, you can dive into this. I will tell you the platform. The platform is Preply. Preply. And the second platform you can check is TutorMe. Okay, so if you know that you're good at this as a student, you can be using this as a side hustle and you'll be able to earn something good. But the third one is content creations. A lot of us knows about this, but how do we go about it? Is the major problem we have. Okay, you can start creating content on YouTube, the same as I'm doing. You can also create content on TikTok or Instagram. All right, you can earn through all of this, but how would you earn? You can only earn through ads. If you come to my video, you can see some ads playing. Yes, you can earn through ads. You can also earn through sponsorship and also affiliate marketing. You can earn through all of this. So the next thing I would like to share with you is the affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products, and if you have product, you can run it and make money from it. If you promote other people's products or other platform or other app products, you will earn by commissions each time someone buy it. And not just when someone buy it, it is when someone purchases it through your own referral links or your referral programs. You earn commission. So you can actually sell digital products. For example, study notes, ebooks, templates, resumes, and the rest. So what platform are you going to use? You can use Gumroad or Etsy. Okay, you can use them as a means to sell this product. Okay, you can also learn AI skills. AI skills, they are very important. So students who learn AI tools can earn by what? By creating AI content. All right, you can earn by creating AI content. You can also earn by designing presentations. You can even work for your fellow students if you possess this information or this knowledge properly. Okay, so the best option for you, actually, the best option for you out of all these that I've listed as a beginner, is online tutoring. This online tutoring was the number two that I mentioned. Online tutoring is very good for you. This is where you should pay much attention on to see what you can actually make out of it. Then the second thing is what is freelancing. Freelancing, right? Freelancing. For those of us who have knowledge on graphics designs, on video editing, on programming, on also content writer, okay, can use this. So you can use the freelancing. The other one I want you to look at is video editing. Okay, video editing. If you don't know how to really do this, you can practice using canva.coms and other apps that will be able to help you do that. Graphics designs, you can learn graphic design using the Canva app as well. And also you can sell notes and ebook materials. So as a student, these are legitimate way you can use to make money online without a waste of time. So this brings us to the end of this very video. If you do have any question, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.